Hi everyone, it's Kezzie over here from KezziesCorner and welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be a project pan update and this is the July 2021 update. Can you believe it? That July is over. Like, can you believe it that we're in August now? This is
crazy.
But yes, we're now in August and boy do I have an update for you guys. So if you want to see how I've been doing in my project pan, then keep on watching. And if you're new here, my name is Kezia and this is my this because I usually say hi. Yeah, hi, my name is Kezia and this is my corner. I would love it if you press subscribe and join my early family. For those of you who are returning for yet another video of mine, thank you so much for supporting my channel. Let's go ahead and get started with today's video. It's going to be my project pan July update like I told you guys. And if you like today's video, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more. I will also list my playlist of my project pan series of 2021 down below. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started with today's video. Okay. So let's begin. Like I always do, I start by showing you the products of how I apply them on my face. So let's start off with primer. So primer, actually this month I've actually used quite a bit. The Catrice Goodbye Pores, it looks a little bit more sort of squished up, as you can see. Like usually it never used to look like this. Wait, because I have a hair somewhere. It never used to look like this. So I'm very happy because like it seems like this is going down and that is what I want to hear. So hopefully, you know, hopefully we will see you go down, like bye-bye. But yeah, I'm going to keep it again because I kind of want to see if I manage to use a primer within a year. So that is my goal. Then we have this other primer. Now the line, I never kind of added another line this month, but basically it has moved because usually I would have like the white line going all around the tube. So I think I've used quite a bit this month. I don't know, in my opinion, because the product would still be left over here. So hopefully, like getting through this bottle, it's still not even halfway done, guys. And I've been using it all year. But I've been loving the combination that these two give me. I find that they really work well together. I mean, they're both blurring primers and they both help with pores. This, by the way, is the Revolution Pore Blurring Serum, I think it was. I absolutely love them and I love them together. So I'm going to just be keeping them on for another month and I'm going to just keep them on for the rest of the year. But like, can you imagine? Like, I've only used so far in 6 months, that is what I've used. Foundation, we have the Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation. I absolutely love this foundation. This is all the foundation I have today because I filmed another video for today's video. But I absolutely love this foundation and I'm going to obviously be getting rid of it because I kind of want to shift my foundations every single month. I have too many foundations, so actually if I just focus on one until I finish it, doesn't make sense for me. But I kind of love dipping into this one. It's such a beautiful foundation. It offers for a flawless, full coverage look and it's actually not that sort of heavy on the skin, which I actually like. Mine is in the shade BB Nude Chair. Yep, Nude Chair. And yeah, I've been loving it. I've kind of used quite a bit of it this month. So, but yeah, we're gonna say bye to this, but absolutely was amazed with it and I hadn't actually reached for it in a while, so it was really nice to go back into it. So for concealer, oh my goodness, concealer, this is one thing that I will definitely try to finish and it hasn't finished yet. I mean, product is still coming out. This is the Essence Camouflage Full Coverage Concealer. I absolutely love this. It's actually what I have on today. I mean, it does sort of offer a really nice, beautiful sort of under eye concealer. So I really like that and I kind of love setting my eyelids for eyeshadow as well, priming with it. But yeah, it hasn't finished yet. I think it has been with me for 3 months. So yeah, and there's no dents or something on it, so I can't even show you guys like if there's any progress or whatnot. But I mean, it does feel lighter. That's like what we can use. Powders, I have the Maybelline Matte Maker, which is this one right here. I mean, I had kind of hit pan, I would say 2 months ago, I think 2 months ago is when I hit pan. The pan obviously got a little bit bigger since the last time, but I kind of have to confess, I haven't been using it as much. I think I've been focusing a lot on my other powder, but I will just keep it because I want to see how much I actually finish for the year. So this is probably going to stay. For my other powder, we have the Rimmel Stay Matte Powder. Now, there's no pan still. However, the dip of it is relatively like it goes down more than it used to, so there's a bigger dip to it, and I think this is the one that I kind of been focusing the most. So I'm really curious to see when I actually will hit pan. As I tell you in every single video of mine, I don't apply makeup every single day, but every single day for work I do actually seal my eyelids and my under eye. I apply my brow products, and then I would apply eyeshadow and mascara. What I actually do every single day, but apart from that I don't do anything else. But yeah, this is the palette I've been using every single day to set my lids and my concealer. So yeah. So now for brows, combo of these two. Now this is a Catrice eyebrow pencil. It was a collaboration from a long time ago. I mean, I've been sharpening it. I think I sharpened it maybe 4 to 5 times this month. And yeah, it's only that long. So it is going down, guys. It is going down. So I'm very happy about that. And then we have the Catrice Brow Colorist Mascara, Semi-Permanent Brow Mascara, which I actually like. And I like pairing with this one. It's not what I have on me today, but I have the brow mascara on me today. But actually, I love these two together. And yeah, I love them. I use them every single day. Okay, guys, I need to show you this because I'm so proud of myself. So this was a relatively new palette to my collection. So this is the BH Cosmetics Chillin' in Chicago eyeshadow palette. And I like, when I initially planned on using this palette, I didn't think I would like achieve this much. You will see in a while. But I did. Obviously, as you know, my eyeshadow palette last time looked totally full. But look. I did not hit not 1, not 2, not 3, not 4, but 5 eyeshadows. Like, I've noticed that obviously the pans are quite, like, they're not as full as the eyeshadow palettes I've tried before. I find that sort of like this one example, I hit pan, would say, on the 12th of July. So it took me about 12 times basically to use, or maybe 10 times basically, because not counting the weekends and stuff. But yeah, then I hit pan in this one, and then in this one, and then in this one, and then in this one. I think this was the second one because this I was using every single day. Because I was mixing looks between, like, I would apply 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is my inner corner. And then another look I would create is like, I would do 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is my inner corner. Also used 1, 2 quite a bit as well, but I haven't hit pan in those, and I think those were the shades I kind of used this month. I like this one as my inner corner highlight, and sort of the quality of these are absolutely stunning. Honestly, I got so many compliments when I was using them, so I really love this palette. But if you're going to use this like relatively all the time, like, you will finish it in a quick time, so be wary about that. But like, I'm in love with it. I've never seen an eyeshadow palette in my collection that has been used so freaking much. I'm like amazed at my progress. I am basically going to change my eyeshadow palette this month because I feel like I've used quite a bit of it this month. I mean, I'm so freaking happy. Like, I cannot ask for more, so I will definitely change this one. But this month we conquered it. I think we did it. The next thing would be mascara, and I've been using the Rimmel Scandal Eyes Volume on Demand mascara. Absolutely love this mascara. Used it quite a bit. Has it finished? No. Has it dried up? No. So it's going to go back into my drawer, but I've been loving the fact that I've used this and absolutely love this mascara. I have 4 products which are like contour face stuff, basically. You know what that means. We have the butter bronzer from Physicians Formula, and this is only what I have left. I've used quite a bit of this, guys, and I mean, there's quite only a little bit left, but I'm very happy with the progress that we've made with this. I will definitely be keeping it to see, you know, if I'll finish it one day. I have the Rimmel Radiance Brick, which is this one right here. The dip, no, I can't feel the dip yet. I don't think I'm ever gonna finish this, guys. I have to be truthful with you guys. Like, this is not bringing me any hope, but I will try. I will keep this and we'll see where it actually goes. The Wet n Wild Color Icon Blush, still like this, you know, there's nothing, there's no dip, never any dip. And the shade is beautiful, honestly. But I can't, well, I guess if you, okay, I never noticed this. So there's like lines. I don't know if that's like the line of the pan or something. I don't know. Could it be able to like touch pan or something soon? I don't know. We'll see. But I'm going to be definitely keeping this and we'll see what happens. And then I have the Pure Nude Highlight from Essence. Still like this. I mean, the pan is relatively very low now, so it has gotten low, but yeah, no change whatsoever. What you gonna do? We have lipsticks. Now lipsticks, obviously I haven't done much progress because I've kind of ignored them. I have the Avon Blush Brilliance, which is still like this, and when I compared it to the copybook, there was no change whatsoever. So yeah, I'm just going to keep this and hopefully remember to use this. And then I have the Catrice Generation Plump and Shine Lip Gloss, which I will keep because I kind of like keeping a lip. Don't know where that went. Like there was like a, okay, there it is. Okay, I like having this lip gloss, you know, sort of when I'm like on the rush or something and I want something quick, I would definitely grab this. I have this. Now this was a really bad decision, and definitely when I'm going to be doing my lipstick declutter, I will declutter this, but I will declutter it in the video. So this is Revolution Salvation Intense Lacquer, and I've forgotten what shade this was in. Oh yes, More Than I Could Give. But this is so freaking light and I don't like it at all. So yeah, this I will get rid of, but I will declutter it in my lipstick declutter one day, hopefully when I film it soon enough. I have some like random stuff. We have the Zara perfume, the Orange Honey, which is still relatively good. I always like spraying some. It's sort of like a tradition now that I spray some during the video. I use this every single day and it's still not done, so what you gonna do? And then we have this. So this is the NSPA Fruit Extracts with Real Honey Jelly Scrub, the Daily Shower and Exfoliant. Now, unfortunately, my like markings got rubbed off. So I don't know where I am, where I was last month, but now I am kind of here. So yeah, I mean, yeah, it's going there. I love this. It smells, oh, amazing. I have two face masks, which I'm gonna be honest, I kind of haven't used much of this month. I mean, the Revolution Honey and Oatmeal, I kind of just have literally probably to just use it one more time and then it will be done. Or I don't, well, I don't like wasting, so I just have to use it one more time, or kind of like maybe use them in both, like in sort of together. And then I have the Aloe Vera Water Lily, which I think I've used twice, I would say. And again, haven't used much of it, but it is getting there, sort of. It is getting there. Like, I would say if I would use it maybe 3 to 4 times, it would definitely sort of finish. But I don't really like the texture of it. So, yeah, that's why I think I haven't reached for it. And I've been, like, mostly gravitating towards sheath masks and things like that. So, yeah, I will try harder next time. I swear, guys, I will. And then we have, yeah, we have the setting spray from Pixie. And I've gone down quite a bit from last month, as you can see. Yep, there I am. So I've been like going through all the bottle like this. So I think I've done quite a bit of progress. So we have just this much left. Hopefully we'll see myself getting rid of it. And then I have these two things which I added. The Body Shop, this is the Rich Plum Hand Cream, which I am basically over here. The other markings have gone basically, so I can't really tell, but they were around here. I did use quite a bit and I just have like a little bit, so hopefully next month we'll finish that. And then I have the Strawberry Macaroon Hand and Body Butter, and I like using this all over my body. And I'm basically over here. And as you can see, I did quite a bit of progress from last month where I was here. So yeah, this is ending very nicely. So I like that a lot. And I don't think I have anything else. So those were the products I had. And now let me just show you what I'm gonna add to all of them. So basically these I'm going to keep, the strawberry one and the rich plum. And basically these are the ones I'm gonna add. So instead of the foundation, I'm gonna be using this one, the Revolution Super Dewy Skin Tinted Moisturizer, because I guess in summer I should use something like this because it's lightweight and you don't want foundation on your skin when it's like super, super hot. So I was thought maybe this would be an ideal thing. I don't know if I can record this or something, we'll see. But I'm gonna be using this one, and mine is in the shade medium. Yeah, medium tint, so that one. For mascara, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Sky High Lash Sensational Mascara. Absolutely love this mascara. This mascara has gone viral, and I put this in the product pan simply because I also have another one. So might as well use this. I'm using, I think this one I've actually added it before, but I'm going to add it again. I'm not sure. This is the Catrice Volumizing Lip Booster. And I'm just going to add this again. I don't know if I had or if I didn't, but I'm just going to add this again because it's beautiful. And then the eyeshadow palette I'm going to be using is this one, the Pixie and Tina Young collaboration palette. This one is the Tones and Textures Feelin' Fresh eyeshadow palette. I would say if I had to choose which eyeshadows probably I would be using quite often, like today I used it because I started today. So I like this one and this one and this one for sure. But I think I'm going to try and use that and maybe some of these. We will see, because I wouldn't know until I'm like literally playing with it every single morning. But yeah, we'll see what we'll do. That is the project pad update of July 2021. I cannot wait to see what I do next month. So join me again. I cannot believe we've also been doing this for 6 months already. So we have 6 more months now to go. So I'm just gonna put them all in their box because that's what I like doing. This is the basket and these are the products I'm gonna be using. I hope you enjoyed watching my project pan update. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more, then press subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!
Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night.